Stop assuming all travel experiences are the same. Every journey has its own unique flavor, its own set of surprises and challenges. When you travel, you open yourself up to a world of new experiences, and no two places are ever quite alike. Discover the vibrant differences between Indian and Pakistani hospitality. Picture this. You land in India expecting a warm welcome. The moment you step out of the airport, you're greeted by a whirlwind of activity. The streets are alive with the sounds of honking vehicles, the chatter of people, and the vibrant colors of the market stalls. It's a sensory overload, but in the best possible way. India is a land of incredible history and culture. From the majestic Taj Mahal to the bustling streets of Mumbai, there's so much to see and do. But sometimes navigating through the hustle and bustle can be a bit overwhelming for tourists. The sheer number of people, the noise and the chaos can be a lot to take in. But don't let that deter you. The people of India are some of the warmest and most welcoming you'll ever meet. They're always ready to help, whether it's giving directions or sharing a meal. And the food? Oh, the food! From spicy street snacks to elaborate feasts, Indian cuisine is a journey in itself. Now let's cross the border into Pakistan. Bam! It's like stepping into a whole new vibe. The pace is a bit slower, the streets a bit less crowded, but the warmth of the people is just as strong. Here you'll find friendly faces eager to help you, often inviting you home for a meal. It's like they've got this built-in radar for tourists, and they want to make sure you feel like a VIP. In Pakistan, it's all about that genuine warmth and hospitality. From sharing a cup of chai to offering a place to stay, the locals go above and beyond to make you feel welcome. In India, you might encounter some pushy vendors or overzealous guides. But that's just part of the experience. It's all about navigating the chaos and finding those moments of connection. In Pakistan, on the other hand, it's all about that genuine warmth and hospitality. From sharing a cup of chai to offering a place to stay, the locals go above and beyond to make you feel welcome. Of course, every travel experience is unique and there's no one-size-fits-all. But if you're a cultural explorer seeking heartfelt connections, Pakistan might just steal your heart. So next time you're planning a trip, keep an open mind and prepare for unforgettable experiences on both sides of the border. And remember, it's not just about the destination, but the people you meet along the way. So pack your bags and get ready for an adventure like no other. Whether you're exploring the bustling streets of India or the serene landscapes of Pakistan, you're in for a journey filled with unforgettable moments and meaningful connections. And who knows, you might just find that the best part of your trip isn't the sights you see, but the people you meet along the way. So go ahead, embrace the chaos, savor the moments, and let the journey unfold. After all, travel is all about stepping out of your comfort zone and experiencing the world in all its vibrant, chaotic and beautiful glory. So what are you waiting for? Adventure awaits